According to the NHS, osteopathy is a great way of detecting, treating and preventing aches, pains and sports injuries using a hands-on approach. But what is osteopathy? My name's Joss Barratt, I'm an osteopath, and in this video I'll be covering a simple explanation to help you understand how osteopathy works. Osteopaths have a good understanding of anatomy and biomechanics of the body, as well as a good sense of how all of the joints in the body move. What's normal, what's too much, what's too little. Osteopaths think of the body as a unit. Think of it like a chain. When you flick one end, you're effectively adding energy and it transfers across to the other end of the chain. The chain is made up of lots of individual links, each one representing a structure of the body. For example, a bone or a muscle. When all the links are working well, the chain moves energy smoothly back and forth. However, say you injure a muscle, it's like putting a kink in the chain. Suddenly movement isn't as smooth anymore. It starts affecting the links either side of the kink, and if not addressed, it could cause further damage or even break. In human terms, that could translate to pain or an injury. An osteopath will look at the chain, assessing all the individual segments to find the kink. Once the kink is found, they can address this using osteopathic treatment. Once addressed and moving properly again, the chain can start working, transferring energy smoothly from one end to the other. Obviously, this is not the management approach we use for everything we see. There's plenty of medical literature on recognised conditions and their timelines, which change the methods of treatment, but this is solely a basic understanding of the osteopathic approach. If you'd like more detail, I go into it a bit more in a blog post, which is linked below. I hope that's helped you understand. If you've got any questions about osteopathy or this video, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it.